Hello everyone. It is time for our weekly check-in on our Icads. I have from last week, which was the beginning of this week was July 13th, which is actually Tuesday, so it wasn't the beginning of the week, but the beginning of this week of Icads was July 13th, and I did this one on my live stream, and then yesterday's I did on the live stream. So today's the 19th, I think. So we're going to go from the 13th to the 19th. That doesn't seem like enough days, but we'll see. You watched me do this one on the live stream. I really like how it came out. Very delicate, a lot of fun. This one is a little different and much more blacked in or whatever, and I really like how it came out too. Different, you know. I was afraid they were going to all look the same, and I'm really pleased to say that a lot of the days look different rather than just alike. So while they have the same theme running through them, they seem to turn out a little bit different each time. This one looks kind of patchworky to me, kind of quilt-like. I don't know. Just a little. This one morphed into a butterfly. I don't know how, I don't know why, but that's what it looks like to me. It just kind of morphed into this butterfly thing, and I really liked it. This one's also kind of butterfly-like. Maybe it has a lot of butterflies in it. I'm not sure. And then you saw me do yesterday's, and it's different too, and I really kind of like it. It's got some different bold and lightweight lines in it, and I think that's part of why I like it so well. So anyways, we are going to do today July 19th card. And yesterday, as I was working through everything, I found this piece of orange, and for some reason I really like it. And I'm going to back you up just a little bit because I know what's going to happen if I don't. I'm going to be off camera constantly. So let's go back out just a little where you can still see everything, but I'm not quite so close. I am going to put this card on here where I get more of this blue, because I kind of like the blue and green that's in this one. Well, I really like how that one came out. I didn't have as much direction in the paper as I sometimes have, so I just winged it and started adding some lines, and they always look floral to me in a lot of respects, or bug-like or something. They have these looks to them, but I'm liking this. Um, I like the layers of the paper. I'm really liking this. This has been a great project. I've been having a lot of fun with it. This craft stick that I managed to get at Ollie's, their Elmer's Craft Bond Extra Strength Permanent Bond, has been working really well for this project. I've not been disappointed with it at all. Now I have no idea how long it'll hold up, but I've been pretty happy with it. Anyways, guys, I'm going to get ready and go. It's been another week of Icads. I think we've got about maybe a week and a half left, maybe 2 weeks. I'm not real sure. Anyways, it goes till the July 31st. Is, I'm pretty sure, the end of the challenge, the end of the project. And while I may continue doing Icads over the course of time, I probably will not continue making one every day like I have been. So anyways, guys, I want you to go have fun and make some art. Bye-bye.